Hello there. In the last class, I taught you how to set up your page properties before designing your first web page. We did that, and in the last class, I chose the Vedana as my default font. As you can see down here, I have Vedana here. The size is 12. The font color is black. You can also change your page properties along the line, but I would rather advise that you leave it once you have set it up in the first instance. Now we'll take it a bit further by designing our first web page. And there's a technique that I want to teach you, and I think it's the simplest technique to designing a website. We are going to be using tables. We are using tables to design our websites. Tables are used for building structures and layout foundations for a web page. Now, let's get started. When you look at the top menu under the real menu up here, we have some icons just beneath it. This is known as a common toolbar. In the common toolbar, under the common toolbar, we have the link. This is where you set your link properties. This is where you set your email link. This is where you named your anchor point, and this is where you set table. So we are going to table right now, and let's click on table. First of all, you must have had a structure of how your website would look like. My design, I want to create something like this. This was designed using tables. This is a table, the one that has the headline here, the laser passionate, the banner. This is a table. This is another table. This red line is a table. This is a table, and this is a table. So we want to create something like this, and we're going to be making use of rows and columns. We're going to be making use of rows and columns. Now, take a look at this website. How many rows do you think we have here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, um, 5. We have 5 rows on this website. Let's do it again. 1, this is 2, 3, 4. This whole page, this whole layout is a row, and this is 5. So let's choose 5 rows for our website. 5 rows and 1 column. Total table width, let's leave this at 100 pixels. I'm going to take you this later on. I'm going to show you the effect that the border thickness has on our tables, the effect that cell padding has on our tables, and the effect that cell spacing has on our tables. So let's just go ahead and click on OK. Now you can see the tables here. You can see the tables because we signified 5 rows. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 rows, and extending it further, we find out that we can extend it to anyhow. We can adjust our tables any way we want it. And take a look at this, because we defined when we were setting up our page properties, we left an 100 pixel margin to the left and 100 pixel margin to the right. That is why we are having this space to the left and this space to the right. Now, this table is so flexible that you can adjust it any way you want it to suit your purpose. Remember, we have a model. This website is what we're following right now, and like I said earlier, it's divided into 5 rows, and I'm going to show you how I got to the point that I found out that it is 5 rows. Now, this top point, this top table is where we have the banner. This is where we have the banner. The banner that you see here, this banner here, we can decide to put our banner as well here, or you can decide to give it a color, a background color. We have the properties down here. If you want a background color for this page, for this table, and just come down here, click on a color, as you can see, then you can do whatever it is you want to do. But note, you can also create a banner in this size, and insert on this place. Now, let me just quickly show you what I mean. Maybe you have a huge understanding of what I'm talking about. Now, this is where I would like my buttons to be. My own, about us, contact us, gallery, and all that. This is where I want my buttons to be. So let's just design a very simple layout right now. Now, this is where we want to have the name of our website, which is Home Affairs. We're going to be doing a more sophisticated website later on, but let's just start with the simplest of them all. Now, okay, this is it. We can decide to write our Home Affairs, type our Home Affairs, Home Affairs, sorry about that. And because we chose white as our black as our default text color, that is why it's coming in as black, and the size is 12. We can decide, because it's that's heading of our website, that's the top of our website. We might want the font to be very big for people to see, and we might decide to change the color to white, and then we can actually want to give it space. Note, this is very important. If you want to space your lettering, your text on Macromedia Dreamweaver, if you decide to just press space, the space bar, it won't have any effect. So what you do is to press Alt, to press Control Shift space. Press Control Shift space. Control Shift space. That is because if you just press the space bar button, no effect. You won't see any effect at all. So when you need to move your letterings to the left or to the right, or to the left rather, instead of pressing space, just press Control Shift space. Control Shift space. You can try that right now. Control Shift space. Then you can now, if you want to now make your headline big enough, maybe let's just put in the range of 48. Yeah, that's Home Affairs. I hope you are getting what I'm doing right now. Home Affairs is the name of the website, and I just want to add, maybe I don't want to change my color. I think I don't want white. I want something like an off-white. So I come here. If you want to change the color of the text, just scroll down here and choose whatever color you want. I think I prefer this color. I don't want it to be too contrasting. Now, let's move on. Now we want to create the buttons, the menu, the home buttons, the about us, the contact us, gallery. So what do we do? Since we want it to be on this second table, what do you think we can do? First of all, you need to define how many buttons you need. I need an home page, about us page, a gallery page, and a contact us page. So which means I need 4 buttons on this table. So what do I do? What you need to do is very simple. Just come up here to where you have the table menu, click on the table menu, and which means that we need just 1 row and 4. Since we want to create 4 buttons, so we are talking of 4 columns right now. So you click on 4 columns and 1 row. 1 row, 4 columns. By the time you click OK, it creates a 4 column, 1 row, 4 column. So that we can have our home button here, about us, gallery page, and contact us. Hope you are getting what I'm doing right now. And it's possible for you to create, to give it a background color. to give each a background color. Now, if you want this same background color to be here, how do you think we can do it? It's very, very simple. All you just need to do is follow my lead. Now, when I click on the background color, you can find a code here. This is #993333. All you just need to do is to copy this code, highlight it, Ctrl C is copy, or let's just do it this way, copy. Then you come to your to the menu that you are creating. You come to the background color and paste the code. Then you hit your enter button. Then you find out that the color has been replicated. Yeah, did you see what just happened? I only copied the color code for this background, and I pasted it here on the background for my menu buttons, and I have the exact color I have as my headline, my heading here, right here on my menu buttons. You can also try that as well. Okay, let's do that for the second button. Come to the okay, sorry about that. We still have the code that we have copied. Let's just come here again, right click on paste, click on your enter button, come to the third place as well, click here, right click paste, press your enter button, come here, click here, right click, paste, enter button. Now we now have our buttons. That's where we have our menu, our home page. This is our main menu. We now have our main menu right now. Our home page, about us page, gallery page, and our contact us page. Let's just go ahead and type something. Let's just type, okay, home page. This is our home page. Highlight it. Can give it a contrasting color, maybe white. Now remember what I told you about. If you want to move this, we can even centralize it. You can centralize it. Click on it. Come here to see the text editors here. Just click on center, and it will be at the center. Then you can realign. Can move this. Can move this here. And I always love my menus to be 14, so you can come here, adjust the text size to 14, and do the same here. You know, I said I want to create 4 menus on my main menu: home, about us, gallery page, and my contact us page. I can as well copy this home, right click, okay, or press Ctrl C, then come here, press Ctrl V. You see that you have the home page, highlight it, click on align to center, then change edit to about. Sorry, shouldn't have done that. Sorry. Okay, change it to about us. As you can see, web designing is very, very easy. Now you can do the same here. Press your Ctrl V. Still have, as you are pasting the same, we are doing the same thing we did here again. Then align it to the center. Align this to the center by coming down here. Click on align to center. Then change it. Edit this to gallery. You can see how easy it is to design a website. Then you take this off. Then you come here. You press your Ctrl V again. Align to center. Align to center. Then right click and type your contact us. Remove the H. Then you know what? Let's try to preview our website. Let's see how our website looks like. On the second thought, I think I should change it back to white. Let me change it back to white, and that is it. Now let's preview our page. Let's see how it looks like. If you want to preview your page, you want to see what your page looks like, there's one thing that you must do. Check out, look up here. You see here that what is written here is untitled document, which shows that you have not given your website a title. This untitled document is the title that will come up here. This is immediately we change that. This is where that title will appear on our browser. So let's try to change it to home affairs. Let's change this to home affairs. Home affairs. Um, and let's just give like a payoff line. Um, design you love. Design you love. Yeah. So let's save our web page. Let's see how it will look like. You come here, preview in Firefox. If you have a Firefox, you have a Chrome. Once you preview, it will tell you save changes to, which means that you have not saved it at all. So now let's save it now. Save. Let's name it as our home page. This is our first web page that we're working on. And as you can see, it's automatically saving itself inside the home affairs folder that we created when we set up app, when we set up our site, when we defined our site. So let's click on save right now and see what it looks like. Can you see? Can you see what is happening? Well, you know what? There's we have not really differentiated our homepage from our about us, our gallery. Everything is looks like it is on the same page. So let's go and correct this right now. Go back to your Micromedia page, click on the table. Because we don't have any cell space or cell border or whatever, that is why it is, we can't see, they are visible. So what we just need to do is to come here, increase the space, cell space, let's put 3, click on enter, then go back and save, preview again, save, yeah, save to home. You can see now that we have been able to differentiate our home page, our about us page, our gallery page, and our contact us page. I'm going to stop here right now. I really want to see what you've done, and we'll continue in the next class. See you in the next class. Thank you.